Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing seeds that are recently extracted and intact. The shell must not be cracked. Once chosen, soak them for 24 to 72 hours and change the water every 12 hours to prevent fermentation. Prepare pots with a 15 to 20 centimeter planting depth using a well-draining mix, half coarse sand and half loam, so roots get oxygen. Plant the seed horizontally, about 1/2 to 1 centimeter below surface, and label pots with date and seed source for tracking. After planting, focus on moisture and warmth because palm kernels germinate slowly. Keep the medium consistently damp. Mist the surface daily and water from the bottom if possible to avoid disturbing seeds. Apply bottom heat to maintain 25 to 30 degrees Celsius and cover with a humidity dome for 2 to 3 weeks to speed germination. Once you see the first true leaves, remove the dome gradually and feed with a diluted 10-10-10 NPK at quarter strength to support root and transplant only when seedlings show 3 to 4 true leaves and a stable root ball. Lift gently and avoid separating roots. Once potted into a larger container or ground, harden them off over 7 to 10 days by moving into filtered sun and reducing humidity gradually so they adapt to outdoor conditions. If you find wilting or yellowing, check for root rot. Repot into fresh, sterile mix, trim damaged roots, and reduce watering immediately. Keep monitoring pests and maintain steady, moderate watering afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.